Keeping with the tradition of the company, the 2025 Renault Captur will combine style, functionality, and cutting-edge technology to create a compact crossover that will shake up the market. The new Captur aims to provide city inhabitants and weekend explorers with an exhilarating driving experience while also catering to their everyday convenience needs. Improved looks, a more contemporary interior, and several powertrain options make the 2025 model stand out. A more sophisticated and grown-up front end characterizes the 2025 Captur's exterior appearance, which is a clear departure from its forerunner. The Captur gets a bold and modern appearance from the revised grille design and the slim LED headlights. The car's dynamic posture is emphasized even further by its sculpted side profile and pronounced wheel arches. A dynamic roof spoiler and sophisticated taillights give the back end a polished and attractive look. The Captur's revised design not only keeps it looking fresh, but it also improves its aerodynamics. There is a more roomy and plush interior in the 2025 Captur thanks to its revamped cabin. Simplified controls give the dashboard a contemporary look and feel, while premium materials and soft-touch surfaces amplify the feeling. At the heart of the cabin sits a massive touchscreen infotainment system that controls the climate, media, and navigation. The cabin's many adjustable features let owners make it their own, and the system's user-friendly interface makes it easy to use. Both quick city rides and extended weekend getaways will be more pleasant experiences thanks to the high-quality materials and meticulous attention to detail used throughout. With an extensive array of innovative driver assistance functions included standard on all 2025 Captur models, safety and convenience have been given top priority. Among these features are automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping aid, and adaptive cruise control. The Captur has a 360-degree camera system, a head-up display, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities for individuals who want more features. Thanks to its small size and integrated safety features, this vehicle is ideal for negotiating congested city streets with ease and peace of mind. The 2025 Captur also excels in connectivity. With the car's compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can easily connect your smartphone to the car and enjoy hands-free music, messaging, and navigation. Also, you can keep your car up to date with the newest features and upgrades without ever having to set foot in a dealership thanks to the infotainment system's capability for wireless software updates. By giving drivers the most recent information on traffic conditions, real-time traffic updates greatly improve convenience. Depending on your needs, the 2025 Captur will be available with a range of engines. A turbocharged gasoline engine, which provides a happy medium between power and efficiency, is likely to be standard on the entry-level vehicle. To cater to customers seeking environmentally conscious choices, Renault is expected to introduce mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid models that enhance fuel efficiency while reducing emissions. The Captur's precisely calibrated suspension guarantees responsive handling and a comfortable driving experience regardless of the chosen power plant. It also delivers a smooth ride. The vehicle's small size and excellent mobility make it a great pick for city driving. In the compact crossover market, the 2025 Captur will have formidable competition from well-established models like the Volkswagen T-Cross, Peugeot 2008, and Nissan Juke. But the Captur has a leg up on the competition because to its fashionable design, cutting-edge technology, and useful features. From young professionals in search of a stylish and practical daily driver to families in want of a flexible vehicle for weekend excursions, the Captur caters to a varied variety of clients. Trim levels and available powertrains will likely determine the final price of the 2025 Renault Captur. If you're looking for a small crossover that doesn't break the budget but still has all the features you need, this one could be a good pick because the base model is probably not expensive. More modern amenities and better fuel efficiency are available on higher trims, which come at a charge, especially with hybrid powertrains. Lastly, if you're looking for a small crossover that excels in all three categories, style, performance, and technology, the 2025 Renault Captur is a fantastic choice. Its modern features, high-quality interior, and striking good looks should make it a popular choice among consumers. Whether you're in the market for a chic city car or a roomy family SUV, the 2025 Captur has an appealing combination of style, interior space, and practicality.